Alright, hey everybody, how's it going? Today is September 1st. That means it's the start of hunting season for me, because dove season and squirrel season, I believe crow comes in today. But I'm out here down at the club in Cutover, going to see if I can't see some doves. Had one just fly by, didn't even have my gun loaded. But anyway, stick around, let's see how it goes. Alright. Alright, so right now I'm just going to walk around, see if I can't jump some up. And maybe we can. It's so hot, it's 90 degrees out here. But who knows? Might get lucky. Alright, check this out. This is a dove call. I've been using one of these for years to call them in, and it does work. I've got videos on it from a long time ago, but yep, we're going to try it out today. See how it does. Alright, I saw one fly from over here, and if there's one, there might be more on the ground. Let's just walk over here and see what happens. Nothing. It works sometimes, especially when you see them flying. It's been thundering for a long time, but storms are coming. They're back over there. Look at those clouds. You can see it's nice over there. It's nice over here. But then comes the line of clouds, and there comes the storm. Alright, like I said, there's a storm coming, and so I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all hear that? Storm coming over there. So I'm gonna get out of here. Sorry, wasn't much to see here, but just get to record myself out here hunting. Alright, I just saw that lightning. It's time to go. Yeah, that's not very far. Alright, so with that thunder and lightning, I'm out of here. I'm in the middle of a cutover. And so I know it wasn't much to see, but I had a pretty fun day baking out here in the sun. I did see 6 doves. Anyhow, appreciate you stopping by. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. It's coming. So here's what they talk about. Every dark cloud has a silver lining. Crap, that was scary. Lightning hit like within, I don't know, a mile, at least a mile, if not closer. Wow. I'm in the truck because still no rain. That was nuts. Oh man, there's another strike, but not as close. I mean, that was like half a second last time. Not even. Alright, let's get out of here, man. It's a little bit of a drive. I gotta beat this storm. You can see the lightning right there. It's coming in. And let's see. Hopefully I gotta get to the gate, unlock it back, and beat the rain. Okay, we made it to the gate. I had to unlock it. I gotta get through here, shut it. Let me show you what it looks like. Windy as crap. I was all the way back there. Oh, you can't even see through there. But I don't want to be holding on to this piece of metal. The only piece of metal around. Hold on. We got that done. Rain is just now coming to hit. I can feel it. All right. That was good timing. Look at those clouds back there. Holy! Did y'all just see that? Wow. That's crazy. I'm getting out of here. See you guys. Hey, appreciate you stopping by. This was a crazy day. I didn't kill any doves, but I had fun sitting in the heat. I saw some, didn't even pull the trigger, but oh wow, did you see that? Wait for it. I'd say that's good for me, guys. Appreciate you stopping by. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. How crazy is that? As soon as I got in the truck, after showing that last bit of lightning, the bottom dropped out. Alright guys, so yeah, it's raining pretty bad. Getting ready to cross the river here. Kind of see what it looks like going down the river. Pretty heavy storm. Yeah, look at that. There's the other side.